Hi, I'm Charlie, here with more simple tips to help you live the lifestyle you love. Today I'm talking about how to lose weight successfully, and if you're prejudging me right now and you're saying, yeah, what does she know about losing weight? Well, it's been almost 19 years that I've kept 45 to 50 pounds off, and if you don't know how my size, that's about almost half my current body weight. So I definitely know what it's like to have that weight loss goal in front of you, and since I was a professional yo-yo dieter by the time I was in my early 20s, I know plenty about falling off the weight loss wagon as well. So I'm gonna get right into this and give you the nitty gritty on this. I get this question a lot and I'm so excited to share the information. I'm not a nutritionist or a dietitian. I'm not gonna go into all the food part and how to put things together because there is so much information on that. You can find it everywhere. No, I wanna get into the back stuff, the stuff that is actually the most crucial when it comes to helping you be successful so that you can hit your weight loss goals. So here goes. The first thing is all about your approach, and this could not be more crucial to your success. I know, especially as women, we have this tendency to go in the bathroom and we're like pinching this and looking at that and oh yeah, and then when we don't feel like exercising, we're looking in the mirror, we're like, put the exercise pants on. Yeah, well, that's why you have to get on the treadmill. Sometimes it motivates you in the beginning, but I have to tell you that initially what motivates you from that perspective is going to completely turn on you. You're going to resent it, then you're going to rebel against it, and you're going to fall off the weight loss wagon, and you might even gain a few sizes in your jeans after you do that. So you don't want to do that. The idea is for you to really connect to what it is that you want. How are you going to feel? Maybe it's a particular dress you want to wear, a certain style of jeans you want to wear. I know the rest of the world is telling you that you can wear anything at any size, but let's be honest. This is about how you feel, and that is a personal thing. And not everybody is comfortable wearing that pair of jeans in that size. They want to wear them in that size. And if that's where you are, you deserve to be there, and there is absolutely nothing wrong with owning that and going for it. I want you to get there. So let's get into the 3 keys for success once you've got your approach right that are going to help you be successful. The first one is I want you to think about your relationship to food and exercise and own it. This is so important because so many times people tell you, well, you need to shift your perspective on food and look at food as fuel. Are you kidding me? I love food. To me, food is love. And there is no way that I will ever look at food purely as fuel. It is fun, it is entertainment, it is love, it is enjoyment, and that is how I always want it to be. However, I did need to accept the fact that I cannot just eat anything that I want to eat, and therefore knowing that I love food, I accept that, and then I look at how can I enjoy my food but make it work for me so I still get to have my goals and be where I want to be in terms of my personal best. Same thing with exercise. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Are you somewhere in between? Be honest with it and own it, because once you do, you can let go of the resistance and the negativity, and you can remember, yeah, I may not be crazy about it, but guess what? I'm doing it solely to give myself the gift of this goal and this feeling that I really want to have and deserve to have. That brings me to key number 2, and that is all about designing your eating and exercise style. This is something that needs to be yours. It's personal. Look at it as a lifestyle. One of the biggest problems we have with weight loss in this country is that people focus solely on the weight loss. They come up with this crazy plan of how they're going to lose the weight. It doesn't incorporate the maintenance aspect. And if you're lucky enough to even get to the finish line in a sense, because that's the way they treat it, now you have this whole new thing that you have to figure out just to be able to maintain it. No, think about it. Efficiency. People come to me to work on their love lives, their careers, their relationships, because I am all about results and I want to do things quickly and efficiently, but in a way that also gets you long-term success. And when it comes to losing weight, if you approach your weight loss from a lifestyle aspect, you've already solved the maintenance issue before you even got there. And how fantastic is that? So think about that. Do not sign up for a 6-week boot camp course if you don't like exercise, because you're going to get burned out. And if you even make it through those 6 weeks, you're probably never going to want to exercise again. You need to be able to be consistent and sustain whatever you do. That is what is going to get you there and allow you to completely enjoy the results and the fruits of your labor. Which brings me to number 3, adjustments. You need to be able to make adjustments. As life is going on, nothing is static. It's always changing and dynamic. Oh my gosh, you should have seen what I went through. I met the love of my life. Now I've got food and love in the kitchen at the same time. And yes, my weight started going up. So I had to make adjustments, and they were adjustments I hadn't made before, but I was used to making adjustments, and that's the key. You'll figure out what exactly you need to do because the details won't become that difficult. It's about getting used to being able to make those adjustments. That's what I had to do, and that's what you need to do. do when your schedule changes, when your kid's schedule changes, when your husband's schedule changes, when love comes into your life and all of a sudden you're in a relationship. It's all about making those little adjustments and letting everything go back into place. Now, if you want help with this, I will help you in a personal session. We can work via Skype, we can work via phone, we can work via person, depending on where you are. Like I said, I am all about results. So we're not going to be talking about this and studying it for a year. We're going to get right in and get it done with a personal strategy for you that works just for you. In the meantime, join me back here every Wednesday for a new video. And don't forget to let me know what it is that you're looking for and you need insight on so that I can include it in a future video. Cheers to the best life and love have to offer.